One of my audience members asked me for a medical poster, so today I'm going to create this poster design in Canva. Go to canva.com. Go to Custom Size. Use a square size. Go to Elements and add a medical logo. I'm using a demo logo here. You will use your brand logo. Add a text and write your company name. Set the text to left alignment. Select the Montserrat font with bold style. Change the first name color to green. Subscribe to my channel and check the description box for the color codes. Duplicate the text and it will be medium style. Again, duplicate the text. Select bold font. Again, duplicate the text. Select extra bold font style. Go to Elements and add a shape. Corner round will be 50 and stroke 5. Change the stroke color to dark green. Duplicate this text and change the font color to white. Select semi-bold font style. Decrease the line space. Duplicate this text. Change the font style to light. Duplicate this shape. Change the color to white. Corner round 40. Go to Elements and add a mic icon. Change the color to green. Duplicate this text. Select semi-bold font style. Duplicate this text. Font style will be medium. Duplicate this shape. Corner round 30. Border color will be light green. Fill color will be green. Change the position to backward. Go to Elements and search for the chat. Add this chat icon. Change the color to green. Duplicate this text. Now, duplicate this text and write the date and time. Upload the Google Meet icon and adjust the size and position. Go to Elements and add a doctor image. Remove the background. Here you will use your targeted picture. Go to the position and drag to image between these shapes. Change the background color to a gradient. Now add a green corner shadow. Change the color to green. Go to the position and drag the shadow above the picture. Add a green bubble element. Go to Edit and make it 50% blur. Change the transparency to 20. Go to the position and drag to under all the layers. Go to Elements and add a love sticker. Change the color to green and transparency 5. Change the position above the bubbles. Adjust any elements if needed. Here is the final result. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.